wheel has left the vehicular device. That. There's our boxes. What's going on, Kitty? We leaving? Teresa and I plan our website. This is a mess. Just got dressed in my Chick-fil-A uniform for potentially the last time, and I'm about to go to work right now. Yeah. Riding in the cart.
Before we go.
Yep.
Hey, oh, let's go real quick. We're all falling apart. And we have 6 days to go. We have 6 days to go.
This is our final week. 9th, and we're gone. Things we need to do. This is it. Whole week. Everything is coming together.
Did we go to IKEA?
Yes.
Did we go to lunch?
Yes.
Did we go to the memorial service?
Dad got it now.
Did we go to the fellowship? Did we go to games at Annie's?
Okay, time to grab the suitcase and see what fits. This is a real struggle of packing for an entire year. You can't bring everything.
We're leaving, what, 12? Not 12 hours. What?
Time is it? It's 2:20.
18 hours? No.
17 hours.
18 hours.
17.
What time is it?
What, are we leaving at 7?
Yeah.
17 hours. 12
No.
plus 5. That's 17 hours. 17-hour countdown ish. Depends, because we only leave at 9.
Okay, that's the same. Put your head. There you go.
Now people are really gonna ask if we're twins. Just to clarify, this is the second video we're making. Just so that people don't ask, we are not twins.